Welcome to 40dig. If you're facing difficulties opening your USB drive on Windows 11 or 10 and are worried about losing data stored on it, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through 4 effective methods to open your flash drive and access the content on it. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Reasons why you cannot open USB flash drive on Windows 11 or 10. The USB drive not opening issue can be caused by various factors. Here are the common culprits: loose or faulty connection, outdated USB driver, driver letter conflicts, file system error or corruption, USB drive has become raw, etc. How to fix the USB flash drive not opening on Windows 11 or 10. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact reason that makes your USB drive inaccessible, here are some methods you can try. Method 1. Plug the USB drive into another port. First, check if your USB drive or the USB port on your computer is damaged. Plug your USB drive into another USB port or try connecting it to another computer. If the drive functions on another port or computer, the original USB port on your computer may be faulty. If the drive doesn't work, proceed by pressing Windows plus X keys and select Disk Management. Check if your USB drive appears in it. Method 2. Remove and reinstall the USB controller. If you can't see the drive inside Disk Management, then remove and reinstall the USB controller. Right-click on the Start button and select Disk Manager. Find and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Now, right-click on your USB controller to select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Once that is done, restart your computer and the USB controller will be reinstalled automatically. Plug in your USB flash drive and check if it can be accessed. Method 3. Reassign a new drive letter to the USB. If the drive is listed in Disk Management but still you can't access the USB, try assigning a new drive letter to it. For that, press Windows plus R and type disk mgmt.msc. Locate your USB flash drive from the list and right-click on it. Choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. If there is no letter assigned to your drive, then click on Add. But if there's an existing drive letter, then click on Change. Select a drive letter from the drop-down menu and click on OK. Once that is done, try accessing the drive again. Method 4. Run CHKDSK on the USB flash drive. As mentioned earlier, if there are file system errors or bad sectors on your USB drive, they may prevent you from opening the drive. To fix this, you can use CHKDSK. Click on the Start button, search for CMD, and open command prompt as administrator. Type the following command and replace the letter X with the letter of your USB drive. Once you have confirmed that, execute the command. This will run a check on your USB drive and Windows will try to fix the file system errors on it. Method 5. Recover data from the USB drive and format it. If none of the above methods worked for you, it's time to recover your data from the drive and then format it. 40dig is a professional and a reliable tool that recovers lost or deleted files from various devices, including Windows and Mac systems, USB drives, SD cards, external hard drives, and more. It supports the recovery of over 1,000 file types and allows you to recover files lost due to accidental deletion, formatting, lost partitions, system crashes, and more. This means that even if your USB drive seems inaccessible, this tool can help you retrieve all your essential files. To get started, download 40dig from the official website or find direct download links in the video description. Run 40dig and select the USB drive you have issues with. Click Scan and choose the specific file types if you wish to recover, but I would recommend scanning for all file types. Now 40dig will scan your selected location. This process takes a bit of time depending on the size of your drive, so I would suggest you to enjoy some music while you wait. Alright, now choose the files or folders you want to recover. Specify a safe location on your computer or another storage device to save the recovered data. You should avoid saving the recovered files back to the problematic USB drive. Click on Recover, and that's it. After retrieving your file successfully, proceed to format the USB drive to make it usable again. Press Windows plus E keys and right-click on your USB flash drive. Select Format, choose NTFS as the file system, and enable Quick Format. And finally, click on the Start button. Now within a few seconds, your USB flash drive will be formatted to NTFS and it should be working fine again. So by following these methods, you can easily fix the USB flash drive cannot open issue on Windows 11 or 10. Do follow each and every step carefully to avoid any errors, and feel free to contact us using the comment box down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.